Do you know how can you make an attractive and clear school entrance exam result by using if function in Excel? I will tell you how can you do it. Greetings to all. I am Kavita from RKIT Hub. Today I will explain how can you make school entrance exam result by using if function. The if function is a pre-made function in Excel which returns the value based on the true and false condition. So let us see how can you use if function. This is the record of the students. In this record, candidate name, class, Hindi, English, science, total marks and status column are available. So the condition is that every students have to score minimum 10 marks in each subject. If any students couldn't score minimum 10 marks in each subject, then he will be disqualified. So for displaying this record, we have to implement the if condition with AND function. So let us see how can you use the if condition. Before using if condition, first of all we will display the total marks, and for displaying the total marks you can use shortcut key Alt is equal. This is the shortcut key for displaying the total marks. Then press enter, and after that you can drag this formula from top cell to bottom cell. Here you can notice total marks of each subject have been displayed. Displaying the required result. In the status column, we will use if condition. So for using the if condition, use first is equal operator, then type if, then start brackets and type AND function. Basically AND function is the logical function which is used for multiple conditions, because in this table we have 3 columns: Hindi, English, science, and there are 3 conditions because in each subject students have to score minimum 10 marks out of 20 marks. So for using 3 conditions on Hindi, English and science, that's why we will use the AND function. Then start bracket, then marks of Hindi will start from D3, and condition is that if in the D3 marks is greater than and is equal 10, then use comma used for applying second condition. The second condition we will implement on English subject. English marks start from E3, then again greater than is equal 10, then the third condition use comma, and science marks start from F3, then use F3 greater than is equal 10. So there are 3 conditions: D3 greater than is equal 10, and E3 greater than is equal 10, and F3 greater than is equal 10. These 3 conditions should be true. If any one condition is false, then result will be displayed disqualified. So close the bracket, then use again comma, and in the double quotes first we will display the message for true condition. So true condition means if in 3 columns there are 10 marks, then result will be qualified. So type qualify, then close the double quotes, then use comma. In the last, the message will be displayed for false condition, means if in any subject students are not able to gain the 10 marks, then he will be disqualified. So type the disqualify within double quotes, disqualify, then close double quotes, then close the bracket. So this is the condition, means is equal if is the logical function, and then start the bracket and again start bracket. D3 used for condition on Hindi, and E3 used for English, and F3 used for science. Then qualify and disqualify. Qualify result will be displayed if condition is true, and disqualify result will be displayed if condition is false. Then press enter. So in the first rows, the students able for scoring 10 and greater than 10 marks. So you will drag this formula from first cell to last cell. Yes, some students are qualified and some students are disqualified. So guys, this is the easiest method for displaying the result. You can also use this statement if or and for another conditions also. For example, making the salary, making the result, final exam result, and any other conditions also. For learning this type of Excel trick, please subscribe our channel, press bell button, and also like our videos. You can also join our institute RKIT Hub, which is the place of IT education near the Girls Model School, Sonipat. Thank you. Have a nice day.